Hello everyone. Welcome. Today, we're tackling a common issue with the DeLonghi PrimaDonna S ECAM 26.455.M, the dreaded water circuit empty error. This can be frustrating, but often it's a simple fix. Let's get your coffee machine back in action. First, let's identify the problem. The machine thinks there's no water, even when the tank is full. This message usually appears during startup or when you try to brew. Don't panic. Now, let's troubleshoot. One of the most common causes is an airlock in the system. Air bubbles prevent the machine from drawing water. Start by checking the water tank. Make sure it's properly seated. Remove it and reinsert it firmly. Ensure the water level is above the minimum line. Sometimes, the water tank filter can become clogged. Remove the filter. Rinse it thoroughly under running water. Reinstall the filter. Try running the machine again. If that doesn't work, let's try priming the pump. Some machines have a manual priming function. Consult your user manual for specific instructions on how to do this. Usually, it involves selecting a specific function, like dispensing hot water, and running it for a certain time. If your machine doesn't have a priming function, you can try a manual workaround. Fill the water tank. Place a large cup under the hot water spout. Repeatedly select the hot water function. Allow the machine to attempt dispensing water. This might take several attempts to dislodge the airlock. Listen carefully to the pump. You should hear it working harder as it tries to draw water. Another potential issue is a blocked water intake. Locate the water intake valve inside the water tank compartment. It's usually a small opening at the bottom. Use a toothpick or a thin wire to gently clear any debris. Be careful not to damage the valve. Also, check the machine's internal components. Scale buildup can restrict water flow. Descale your machine regularly using a descaling solution recommended by DeLonghi. Follow the descaling instructions in your user manual precisely. Hard water can exacerbate scale buildup. Consider using filtered water to prolong the life of your machine. Finally, if none of these steps work, the problem could be a faulty pump or a malfunctioning sensor. These issues usually require professional repair. Contact a qualified appliance technician for assistance. Remember to always unplug your machine before performing any maintenance. Safety first. I hope these troubleshooting steps help you resolve the water circuit empty error on your DeLonghi PrimaDonna S. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Consider supporting the channel through memberships, buying me a coffee, or just sharing my video with your friends. Your support helps me create more content like this. See you next time.